Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a breathtaking journey to explore the majesty of mountains. Join us as we uncover the awe-inspiring beauty, the challenges, and the serenity found in these natural giants. Mountains, the towering sentinels of our planet, have captivated human imagination for centuries. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the rugged Rockies, mountains are symbols of strength, endurance, and grandeur. Mountains are born from the immense forces within the Earth. Over millions of years, tectonic plates collide and fold, pushing the land upwards to create these majestic formations. This process is a testament to the incredible power of nature. Mountains host a wide variety of ecosystems, each uniquely adapted to its altitude. From lush forests at the base to alpine meadows and barren peaks, these ecosystems are home to an array of wildlife and plant species. For adventurers, mountains present the ultimate challenge. Climbing these towering heights demands physical endurance, mental resilience, and an unwavering spirit. The journey to the summit is as rewarding as the view from the top. Mountains have profound cultural and spiritual significance for many communities. They are revered as sacred spaces, places of worship, and sources of inspiration. From ancient myths to modern-day pilgrimages, mountains hold a special place in human hearts. Mountains play a crucial role in our planet's climate and water supply. They act as natural water towers, capturing precipitation and releasing it slowly through rivers and streams. This water sustains countless ecosystems and human settlements. Despite their majesty, mountain ecosystems are vulnerable to various threats. Climate change, deforestation, and pollution are impacting these delicate environments. It's essential that we work to protect and preserve the natural beauty of our mountains. Mountains inspire us with their grandeur and serenity. They teach us about resilience, the beauty of nature, and the importance of preserving our environment. Let the majesty of mountains remind us of our connection to the natural world and our responsibility to protect it. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the majesty of mountains. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more nature adventures. Share your favorite mountain experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the wonders of our planet.